Thanks to TikTok, it is easier to make life-changing money right now more than any other time in history. And all you have to do is pick one of the ideas in this video and execute. And so in this video, I'm going to show you the top 4 ways of making money on TikTok. In all of these businesses, I've either done it before, or I'm currently doing, or I know someone else who's doing it, so I know for a fact that they work. And they each have the potential to generate well beyond 5 figures in revenue every single month, as you'll see examples of other people just like you doing it later in the video. The first high profit opportunity I want to talk about is becoming a TikTok Shop affiliate. For those who don't know what affiliate marketing is where you promote someone else's service or product using a unique link. And when someone buys that product or signs up for that service using your unique link, you get a commission. TikTok Shop affiliate program is really similar, but it's built right into the platform. Here's how it works. TikTok allows creators to promote products from various sellers directly in their videos. These creators earn a commission every time someone purchases that product through the affiliate link on the video. The best part about TikTok's affiliate program, especially for those that are new to making money online, is that you don't need to invest in products or any inventory yourself. You just need to pick products that fit your niche and consistently create high quality content around them. You do have to have at least 5,000 followers to join TikTok Shop's affiliate program, but if you don't have that many, there are ways of growing even a new account pretty quickly in order to join. Comment down below if you want me to make a video going more in depth over that process. After you reach 5,000 followers, the next step is signing up for the affiliate program. First, you want to make sure that you switch your TikTok account over to a business account, which as you can see here is really easy and straightforward. Then you'll be able to apply to the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Once you've been accepted, you'll be able to browse products and be able to add them to your shop, which is linked under your bio. The next step is to find products that align with the niche that you decide to go with. The best place to start is by going to Calidata.com. I've linked it down below in the description. You want to go ahead and click on the category tab. And then here on the left, you can scroll through and check any categories that stick out to you and that you think you can create great videos for. You'll be able to see products that are performing best in each category. You can see which creators are ranking highest for any product sales, and you can even check out which video is performing best for that specific creator and product. This tool is hands down the best option for TikTok Shop product research. It doesn't matter if you're into fashion, tech, or beauty, pet supplies, or fitness. You'll see here that there's a product for any type of creator. For example, if you're into tech, you can promote phone accessories, gadgets, charging units, or even headphones. The key here is to create engaging videos promoting these products in a non-salesy kind of way, like unboxing, reviews, or how-to videos. After you create it, now it's time to post the video. When you do that, you'll include a link that points directly to the product page. TikTok makes this easy by allowing users to click on your link directly in the video. Every time someone purchases that product through that link, you get a commission. That can range anywhere from 2% all the way up to 15 or even 30% depending on the product. You can also leverage AI by using tools like InVideo to create quick product demo videos, even if you don't want to show your face. Tools like this allow you to create engaging, high-quality videos by using templates and stock footage. Another tip here is promoting seasonal products. Think about promoting Father's Day or Mother's Day or Christmas gift ideas and capitalize on the shopping season to drive more sales. Moving on, the second way to make money on TikTok is a little bit more straightforward, and that is through TikTok's creativity program. In a nutshell here, creators earn money based on the amount of views that their videos get. It's similar to YouTube's monetization process, where you get paid based on how many people watch your videos. To get started, you need to apply to TikTok's creativity program, which is only available to creators who are at least 18 years old, have over 10,000 followers, and have at least 100,000 valid video views in the past 30 days. Once you're approved, TikTok will pay you based on your RPM, or revenue per million, which means you'll earn money for every 1,000 views that your videos get. Once you're in the program, the goal is to create content that gets views. One of the easiest ways to do this is to focus on trending niches. So do some research, look at what's trending in a category that you're interested in, whether it's lifestyle, comedy, beauty, or even DIY. You can use TikTok's For You page to check out what's popular and what's working for other creators. The best way to maximize your earning in the creativity program is by making content that's engaging, shareable, and extremely relevant to your audience. Whether it's challenges, reaction videos, or informative content, try to mimic the elements of the successful videos that you come across. Think fast cuts, trending audio, and really catchy hooks in the first few seconds. And obviously, the more views you get, the more money you make. So it's really about creating content consistently and staying on top of what's trending. There are creators out there making thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars every single month by consistently creating content that gets viral level views. Hey, could you do me a favor? Like and subscribe. It really does help the algorithm. I share 2 videos just like this every single week on how to make money online. It's completely free and you can always change your mind later. The next one is honestly my favorite and one of the more underrated strategies to make money on TikTok, and that is promoting your own product. Whether you sell digital or physical products, TikTok is one of the best platforms for driving organic traffic and getting sales. The key here is to leverage TikTok's short form platform algorithm to go viral and drive users and customers to the product link in your bio. First, if you're selling a physical product like clothing or handmade goods, or a digital product like an ebook or an online course, you can add the link to your product in your TikTok bio. This makes it easy for viewers to find and purchase your product directly after watching your videos. Next is to focus on creating viral content that highlights your product. For physical products, you can create behind the scenes videos showing how you make your product, customer testimonials, or even packaging orders. For example, a page that I love is Willy Wacky Snacks. This guy sells snacks from well-known brands, but flavors that they only sell in other countries around the world. He started by posting packing videos where he responds to a comment with an order number and simply walks around his facility putting those snacks into a white bucket. Some of these videos get hundreds of thousands and even millions of views. And when you check his bio, all you see is a link to his website to make an order. It's simple and extremely effective. For digital products, you'll want to focus on sharing value-driven content, like tutorials or sneak peeks of what people can expect when they buy and download your product. For example, if you sell a fitness ebook, create short videos with fitness tips that highlights your expertise in order to build authority in your space, and then mention that the full guide is available in the link in your bio. Ensure that you're not overly pushy. Let the content speak for itself, and viewers will click through naturally. One great strategy that not enough people talk about is reposting your best performing videos with different hooks. If you notice that a particular video got a lot of engagement, repost it with a slight tweak in the introduction or the text on the video. This gives it another chance to go viral and bring in even more traffic to your product. One of the best examples of a company that executes this really well is HiSmile. I've talked about them on my channel before because honestly, they are some of the best content kings in the world. They'll take one idea and shoot 10 versions of it, changing only the hook in the first 3 or 4 seconds. Every time they do it, at least 1 or 2 of the versions performs way better than the others. And then what they do next is really the genius part. Once they find a version of the video that performs really well, they take it a step further by using TikTok's ad manager to turn that video into a paid ad. TikTok ads are incredibly effective because you're boosting content that's already proven to engage your audience. Using HiSmile's strategy, you take all the guesswork out of running ads. The video itself is already proved to be a hit and proved to resonate with your audience. And the best part of ads is that the person can click on the ad and be directed straight to your product page, rather than having to click onto your page and then go to the link in your profile to make a purchase. And last but not least, let's talk about TikTok dropshipping. This is a relatively new concept, but one that's gaining a lot of traction. For those that don't know, dropshipping is where you sell products directly to customers without holding any inventory. When someone buys a product, their supplier ships it directly to that customer on your behalf. Your only job is to promote that product using ads. And TikTok is honestly one of the best platforms to do that. And here's how you do it. The first step is setting up a Shopify store. Shopify is one of the most popular platforms for dropshipping because it integrates seamlessly with websites like TikTok and dropshipping apps like Zendrop and AutoDS. Next, you create a TikTok account that's themed around your dropshipping store. Let's say you're dropshipping pet accessories. You'd focus on creating content that's specifically tailored to pet owners. Funny pet videos, product demos, and even user-generated content featuring the products you sell. The goal is to create viral content that really highlights your products. TikTok loves short, engaging videos, so focus on unboxing videos, product hacks, or quick product reviews. And make sure you include a clear call to action. Make sure to check out the link in our bio, either with text on the screen or in the scripted voiceover. Similar to the TikTok Shop affiliate program, you can set things up in such a way that you can link your own products directly in each video. This strategy is a bit of a blend of dropshipping and TikTok Shop. And just like we talked about earlier, you can take your best performing content and run it as an ad to a targeted audience. The cool thing about TikTok is that they let you target users based on their interests. So you can reach anything from a tech gadget fan to a pet lover or even a beauty enthusiast. It all depends on what you're selling. But the best part here with dropshipping is you don't actually need to worry about shipping the product yourself or even keeping an inventory. When someone clicks on a link in one of your TikTok videos and they're sent to your website and they land on your Shopify store and they make a purchase, the supplier hands all of the fulfillment process for you. It's a low risk way of getting into the e-commerce world, and it's a strategy that can help you scale really quickly and generate a lot of income in a shorter amount of time. And there you have it. Those are the top 4 ways to make money on TikTok in 2024. Whether you're looking to promote products using TikTok Shop's affiliate program, joining the TikTok Creativity Program, sell your own products, or start a dropshipping brand, there's an opportunity for anyone to start earning money on one of the world's biggest social media platforms. TikTok's growth is showing no signs of slowing down, so there's never been a better time to jump in and start monetizing your content. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this on how to make money online. Let me know down in the comments which of these methods that you're excited to try first. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.